Hey everybody, it's Space Coast. I'm walking up to the beach here. It's been pouring rain for a while. Beautiful when it's wet like this, but I can hear a roaring surf out there, so I'm a little bit concerned about what the water might look like. Yeah, it's looking a little rough. Got whitecapping about 200 yards out. See what we got here. So this is what the beach looks like today. Churning it up a little bit. Gonna take a look at it and see if I'm gonna do any fishing. Tight lines, everybody.